We are here in Wallenhausen in Bavaria in the south of Germany, close to Weißenhorn, where the Perry headquarters is located, where we are printing a multi-family house. It was a bit of a special process to get the building permit in the end, so we had to do lots of tests in our laboratory. On top of that, 3D printing allows for the creation of free forms, which of course can be used for aesthetically pleasing designs, but it can also be used to integrate functions into the walls. So in this building we are aiming to integrate all electricity, power outlets and conduits directly in the print, so that we will not have to drill any holes to, for example, install power outlets.
So what's special here at this project is that we got a traditional architectural plan, which we changed in our own software to a 3D printable file, which goes then from this file into a slicing software where we prepare everything for the printer. On this construction site we are operating between 3 and 4 people. The reason for that is here we are also making research, we are making documentation, all that stuff. But our future goal is that we can handle the whole construction site just with 2 people. To operate the printer, you need just a laptop, a tablet, or you could also use easily your smartphone. So when I'm talking about 2 workers on the construction site, there's one who is caring about the printer. The other guy is basically doing everything about the material management in the background.
On this construction site we aim to be done in the course of 6 months until the building is completely done. The printing part of that is a significant shorter amount of time. So the print time is going to be very, very short. And considering that this is something we haven't done 100 times over, there's of course lots of potential to further speed up that process in the future.